welcome back to the channel. Today's another installation video. This one is a little special. I'm going to be installing the Type-X Sport lights on the front bumper from STEDI. This is an Australian company. From all the reviews and the research I've done, the quality is amazing. They have two lines of these lights. The Type-X is actually the previous model. The new model is the Type-X Pro. The reason I didn't go with the Pro is because it comes in 8.5 inches. I didn't want those big of lights on the front bumper, so I went with the Type-X 7-inch. Let's unbox it. The packaging is as if you're opening a drone or a high-end phone. Very nice quality. So yeah, I'm not going to go over all the specs. You could basically go to their website to review all that. There's plenty of materials on it. Just going to go through the installation of this. But yeah, this is a little, they have a different way of connecting it. You can actually, they give you this adapter to connect it with the high beam. So as soon as you turn on your factory high beam, this will come on as well. I'm not sure if I want that. I'll just connect it to the SPAT switch, I think. Connectors, wire harness to connect to the SPAT or a battery, has a switch, has an inline fuse, and a button as well, a switch as well, which I'm not going to be using. So that is that. Some zip ties, and these are the lights. So yeah, I'm so glad I didn't order the Pro because it would have been much bigger and I don't like it. Ideally, I would have wanted like maybe 6 inches, but still good. So yeah, this is the light. These are the covers. They have some very iconic covers for their lights, but this is what it comes with. And this is the light. These rings are also interchangeable, but unfortunately not on this model. On the Pro, you can interchange to any color ring that you want. But like I said, for me, I wanted the smaller size, so I'm happy with this size. Hardware, additional hardware for the bracket. This is their bracket, so basically this will go on the bumper. Yeah, and the light will get mounted here. So, but yeah, let me show you the other face covers that I ordered that I really liked, which triggered this whole purchase for me. Is this guy here. So I ordered a couple of these also. But yeah, let me show you on the front bumper where this will have to go. We'll do some drilling and assemble these and mount them. So I have, as you know, for those of you familiar with my channel, I have the steel bumper from Rubicon. I want to continue using this. A while back I ordered these brackets from, I think this is from Ruby Trucks Maximus 3. They sell all these accessories for these bumpers. Thinking I would install KC highlight just like what I have over there, but then I decided to go with these lights. So these lights now cannot go on this because it's going to be too high up, so I have to remove these and then drill some holes. So let me go ahead and remove this. Okay, so this is the existing hole, and this is what I thought that I would want. You see I marked the bracket like this. But now, because of this existing hole, I'm just going to move a few millimeters onto the left side, just with the edge of the bumper, and it allows me to operate the winch without any hindrance, right? So, but what I need to do is make sure that I make this hole a little bigger for this to fit in with a step bit. And then I'll put this in and then mark the other 2 holes on the side and drill those ones. So let me start with that. So it's supposed to go like this. Still good. Yep. That's how it's supposed to go. The rubber is to avoid any vibration. So let me go ahead and make the other 2 holes, and then that'll be it. We'll get to the other side. Yep, there you go. One more to go. I'm gonna do this one also. Okay, so I installed the 2 brackets. It's a little hard to work, especially if you have the winch installed. So there's not a lot of space. So I put one anti-theft security nut on this one on this one. I'm going to put one over here. So yeah, and then the last thing left is running the wire. So let me mount the lights. But as you could see, it turned out pretty good. I'm able to use the recovery points on both sides, and they seem pretty much right in the center. Alright, so the last thing left is to run the wire to my S-Pod. Like I said, you have a way of connecting it to the high beam also, but I think I'll skip that. I'll just connect it to the S-Pod switch. Okay, moment of truth. So I connected it to switch number 2. Yeah. They're very bright, very bright. But yeah, the casey up on top looks like candles compared to this one. Sure. I will include some night shots to see, so you could see the difference with the regular factory headlights, which are also LED, and also the Casey 6-inch lights that I have up on top over there. And this is the regular driving lights. Let me turn this off, and this is the Type-X Pro. You can see the difference. I'll show you again. It's driving lights. Let me turn that on also with the driving lights on. So the range, although I mean, you know, right now it's not a straight stretch, but the range is just so long for these lights. I'm loving them. You know, 4 of my Casey lights up on top is not giving me as much light as these ones. Really happy with it. Alright, thanks for watching.